Alright, so we have a rectangle that's 80 by 20, and we have to find the degree measure, so the angle measure, of the acute angle formed by the diagonals. So let's draw this rectangle. Alright, bada bing, bada boom, that's what it looks like. This is 80, that's 20. So if we I kind of drew it to scale in a way, where the bigger side is 80. Alright, and we're ultimately going to be looking for this angle right here. Alright, because this angle Y would be obtuse. So, a couple ways you could do it. You could, I guess I'm trying to think if you have enough information to split this isosceles triangle in half, and then, but you don't, because then you don't know any of these angles, and all you know is that is 10. So I take that back. The only way I think you could do this here is to find this angle. I'm going to highlight in red right here. Alright, so we'll call that angle Y. Alright, now the reason why I know you can find that is because it's an acute angle of a right triangle where you know two of the sides. So you know that the tangent of Y, so the opposite over the adjacent leg to Y, is 20 over 80, which reduces to 1/4. So then you need to flip-flop that. So in algebra or math, inverse means you switch the domain and range. So if the tangent of Y is equal to 1/4, that means the tangent inverse of 1/4 is equal to Y. Alright, so now we could type this in the calculator, or look at a trig table if you have one. See what angle do you take the tangent of to get 0.25, which is 1/4. But if you have it, you'll always have a calculator, so make sure you know how to do it on a calculator. And on the park test, they give you a calculator to use, and on any exam I give, you'll have a calculator to do this. Alright, so tangent inverse of 1/4 comes out to be 14 degrees. Now I'm rounding, it's like 14.0362. I'm just going to round it to 14 degrees. Alright, so then if that's 14, and that's a 90-degree angle right there, then that other angle has to be 76 degrees, because these have to all add up to 180. Alright, so I'll write that in yellow. So this angle here is 76. So this angle here is 76. 76 times 2 is 152. So if you subtract that from 180, this acute angle here would have to be 28 degrees. So that's your final answer, 28 degrees. Oops, did not mean to do that.